A new study confirms previous data showing that hydroxychloroquine, a controversial anti-malaria drug touted by President Trump as a potential COVID-19 treatment, is in fact dangerous and sometimes deadly to patients who have the virus. A study in the British medical journal The Lancet looked at 96,000 hospitalized COVID-19 patients on 6 continents. Patients who were given the drug were found to be at significantly higher risk of death compared with those who weren't. They were also more likely to develop a type of irregular heart rhythm that can lead to sudden cardiac arrest. President Trump spent weeks recommending hydroxychloroquine be tried as a treatment, despite early small-scale studies that found similar results. Trump later said he himself was taking the anti-malarial drug after he was exposed to someone who contracted the virus. There's still no proven treatment or vaccine for COVID-19, but we're getting some promising results from a study out of the UK. A research group in Oxford says clinical trials on about 1,000 people across the UK are, quote, progressing very well. The researchers will now inoculate 10,000 new people.
It remains the case that if the vaccine is shown to work in the months ahead, and it's entirely possible that if there's enough transmission, that could happen in a relatively short period of time, and you can make the vaccine at scale in that time frame, then it's possible as early as the autumn or towards the end of the year that you could have results that allowed use of the vaccine on a wider scale.
Vice President Mike Pence traveled to the U.S. state of Georgia Friday to meet with that state's governor and a group of restaurant owners. He will receive an update on how reopening is going. Georgia is one of the first U.S. states to begin reopening its economy and lifting social distancing regulations. So far, it has not seen a feared spike in new cases that public health officials had warned of if states opened too early and without a proper plan in place. Jim Spellman, CGTN, Bethesda, Maryland.